If you're like me and love editing videos but don't always have the time or patience to create everything from scratch, then you absolutely need the Ultimate Bundle Mega for Premiere Pro by Finzar. I got it during a crazy discount for $39 instead of $149, and I can genuinely say it's one of the best purchases I've made for my creative workflow. If you're thinking of getting it too, I've dropped the discount link in the description below. This bundle is basically a collection of 8 preset packs for Premiere Pro, including Finzar's most popular animation packs, the Essentials pack, and even transitions. Whether you're editing horizontal videos in 1080p, vertical content for Instagram and TikTok, or even 4K footage, it's super useful. If you get it today, you can snatch it for only $39 instead of $149. Click the first link in the description below to snatch this discount. Have a lovely day.